Let's talk about the Lightning fourth line. The combination of Zemgus Girgensons, Yanni Gourde in the middle, and then Pontus Holmberg.
Like you said, they're starting most of their draws not in the offensive zone. So they're playing big defense, and they put the puck deep, and they pressure, and they forecheck. Yanni is one of the best forecheckers. I mean, he just flies in relentlessly. No hesitation, doesn't care what position he ends up in. He's just there. And I think that's extremely important, especially when this team does struggle with zone entry. And this is the line that's putting the puck in the corner and going to get it, and they win it. And I think I wish the other lines would do that